Hello students, here we deal with sine rule and cosine rule. Sine rule. What the rule says, if in triangle ABC we denote these sides by small a, side opposite to angle A, small b and small c, and angles are ABC, then sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C upon C. This is sine rule. This is what we have to prove. Now let us consider a triangle ABC, and suppose we draw a perpendicular here. Suppose this is H. This angle we call as angle B. This angle we call as angle C. This length is B. This length is C as per the notations. Now see students, from here we can write sin B is equal to, in this triangle we get opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is H upon C, and in this triangle we can find sin C is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is H upon B. From this we can write H equal to C sin B, and from this we can write H equal to B sin C. But H is the same, left hand sides are equal, and so equating this we get C sin B is equal to B sin C, and dividing by B here and C here, or we get this term sin B upon B equal to sin C upon C. In the same fashion, if we draw a perpendicular from B, we will be able to prove sin A upon A is equal to sin C upon C, and combining these two results we will be able to write this proof. So we write here similarly, if perpendicular is drawn from B on AC, we can prove what? Sin A upon A is equal to sin C upon C, and if we combine these two results we can write sin A upon A equal to sin B upon B equal to sin C upon C, and this is called the sine rule. Now students, there is one more result from this. If we draw a circumcircle, then radius of this circle is called circumradius. So let us suppose again that this is triangle ABC, this is circumcircle. To find the circumradius, let us draw this line passing through center, and so this becomes diameter AD. Suppose R is the circumradius, this length is R, this length is R, so AD will be equal to 2R, correct? AD is 2R. Let us join this DC. Now students, in 10th standard circles we have seen a result, angles in the same arc are equal. This angle and this angle, these are inscribed angles, angles inscribed in the same arc. So these two angles are equal. I am writing here angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. Students, in 10th standard we have also seen, if this is diameter, then this should be a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Diameter subtends a right angle at any point on the circle. Now from this right angle triangle ADC, we can find sine D. Sine D is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now what is this opposite side? AC. But we have seen AC, side opposite to angle B, can be denoted by small b. So we write this as opposite side upon hypotenuse is 2r. But angle D is same as angle B, ADC is same as ABC, and angle ABC, that is angle B. So we write sine of B equal to B upon 2r, or we can write 2r is equal to B upon sine B, or dividing by 2 we can write circumradius is equal to B upon 2 sine B. So circumradius can be found from triangle ABC, that r equal to B upon 2 sine B. But since these are equal, so from here we can write r is equal to A upon 2 sine A equal to B upon 2 sine B equal to C upon 2 sine C. So we have seen two results here. One is the sine rule, this rule, and from this rule we have found a relation for circumradius, capital R. Is this clear? We stop here for now. In the next video we shall see what is cosine rule and then projection formula. Thank you.